Hi, I'm Roger with a demo and a how-to video on a couple of Reallusion props, a couple of scales. Both of the scales have action items added to the list, and you can see everything goes smoothly. The scale goes up and down. The digital one operates a little bit differently. You can see that the scale increments as it's going up. And let's reset this to 0, and you'll notice it goes rather abruptly, so solution to that is to just drag a little bit on the transition so it goes down smoothly. And now let's pretend that we put some weight on it, and I've linked it to the top bar there. Add some action to it, and again, nice and smoothly. And the way this worked is that, let me reset everything here. The way it worked is that I actually used the prop key editor to do two different things. The weight, which is actually the needle, set that to 0 to start out with. Select a number on the scale that I want to go to, and we've got that motion. But I also need to take the top and do the same thing with it so that the top actually goes down as the scale goes. So there you go. It just moves up and down. And with the digital scale, set it to 0. What I did with that one is actually created several keyframes with the display weight. So I actually had to create several of them, so that it increments and goes up, and let's skip the ones in between, and let's say we'll take it all the way up to the top. So you can see it. It would go, well, it should go 1, 2, 3, and then end with the 15. But again, what you need to do is go back to the prop editor, and we got to synchronize the top so it goes up and down based on the weight. And the only thing I forgot to mention is to adding the items to the menu. So, for example, we're on the scale here. So I use the collect clip area, drag across that motion, and just simply add it, name it, add it to the action menu. And that's it.